Hello friends, today we are looking at the unboxing of OneOdio Studio headphones. These are pro-30 from OneOdio lineup. Before going into the video, do consider hitting the subscribe button below. They have given a 12 months warranty in our website when I purchased it, but when we register with the site of the OneOdio, they have given an extended warranty of 24. So finally we are getting 36 months. Which means 3 years warranty. Coming to the overview of the box, they have given the features of earphones here, and at the back side they have given the specifications, and these are available on the screen. It's just OneOdio over here, and let's look into the inside. Yeah, here on the face they have given a user manual. These are the cables. Let's see. And here is our headphones. They have given two cords over here. And one says that was from Amazon, and another for national donation for children. Coming to the cables, two cables, and one says 3.5 to 3.5, and here we see the mic over here. This was 6.3 mm to 3.5 mm jack, and generally no need of mic for this. Coming to the headphones, they have given a good quality pouch over here for carrying it. And here we go. So very smooth. These are protein earmuffs. Padding over here seems very comfortable, and these are very smooth. We got 6.3 mm port and 3.5 mm port over here. So now I am connecting 6.3 mm cable. Let me connect to this with my phone. Coming to the review of these headphones, if you are a casual user, then it is better to buy any Bluetooth headphones. If you are a music lover, then these headphones are for you. Everything about these headphones speaks of durability. Both of the cables what they have provided are very durable, and the carrying pouch is also very much quality there. In the sound quality, these are the best sounding headphones that I have tried so far. Bass on these headphones is very punchy and deep. If you are a bass lover, then you are going to love these. They claim as studio headphones, so the sound quality is balanced at every level of volume. I have been using these headphones for 4 months. The only negative point about these headphones are the articulation. There's too much and too smooth, which could be annoying at the beginning. These are foldable, you can carry these easily with your pouch. Finally, the price is around 3000, but I have bought these at 1620 on a sale at Amazon. At the price of 1600, these really crush the competition. If you are willing to pay more than 3000, then I recommend you to buy Pro 50. If you have any further questions, do let me know in the comment box below.